Okay, so we have the perimeter of a student's rectangle garden is 60 feet. And if the length is twice the width, what are the dimensions of the garden? I love these problems because I know students hate that twice this, three times the number of that. But it's actually pretty simple if you take it a step at a time. The very first thing they mentioned is perimeter. Now, let's remember what perimeter is. Perimeter is when you add all the sides, not the inside, but the outside of this shape. So that's perimeter. Now we got ourselves a rectangle here. They said it rectangular garden. So we know a rectangle has a length, has another length, has a width, and has another width. Does everyone agree? Cool. Now they said the perimeter is 60 feet. So we know that the perimeter, when you add all of them, you get 60 feet. Well, here's where it gets fun. If the length is twice the width. So if the length is twice the width, in other words, couldn't I just get rid of these letters? If it's twice the width, couldn't I just call it W times 2? Because it's twice the width on both sides. The length is twice the width. And now you want to find out what are the dimensions. So didn't we agree that perimeter is adding all the sides? So if you do W plus 2W plus 2W, when you add them all up, you're supposed to get 60 as an answer. So since we have the same variables, now you know what to do. W plus W is 2W plus 2W plus 2W. That just gives me 6W equals 60. Now let's go ahead and divide by 6. Divide by 6. So we know our W is actually 10. 10 what, guys? 10 feet. Now, what is the question, though? That's not just the question we're trying to solve. The question was, what are the dimensions? So dimensions are always measured as the length and the width. We found the width, which was, the width is 10. Let's do width. But what's going to be the length, guys? What's going to be the length? Well, if length is twice the width, 2W, well, 2 times 10 is 20 feet. And you found the dimensions of this rectangular garden.